Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shahid. Today I want to talk about how you can fix your washing machine. In this video I will show how you can change the lid switch of your washing machine. This is the washing machine. You can see this is made by Whirlpool. This is a double stack washing machine. The upper portion is the dryer and the lower portion is the washing machine. So basically I was trying to use the washing machine first, then the dryer, but while trying to use the washing machine I found that when this washing machine became full of water, it stopped and there was no movement. I tried to figure it out what is the problem. First of all, my water is large and I start the button and I can see inside. As you see, the water is coming inside and it stopped working. Yes, it makes sense because the lid is open. And for safety reason the washing machine will stop automatically. At this point I am just closing the lid. The machine should start automatically working after I close the lid, but it's not working. So basically the problem is the lid switch located over here is not working properly. As a result, the machine is sensing the lid is always open, and that's why for safety reason the machine is not working. So how I am concluding this decision, I will show you now. This is a nail cutter. I am just putting this nail cutter inside this hole here and see it's started working. So basically this is the function of this portion of the lid. It should go in and the switch will start working, but I can see that when I put this, the machine is not working and there is no change, right? So basically this switch is malfunctioning. This is not working properly. When I put this thing inside and I try to place it here and there, and then it starts working. Basically this is the problem. So to solve this problem, first of all we need to open this washing machine and try to locate the lid switch. After locating that, we need to take out the lid switch and try to troubleshoot if we can fix it or not. If we fail to fix it, we have to buy a new lid switch which comes in a full set of assembly. So we have to buy it from the market and then we can change it. I will show you all the process right now and I hope you will enjoy it and you can fix your washing machine by yourself. So first of all, we need to open these 3 screws from here. Open these screws. So this hood will come out like this very easily. As you see, it has never been opened, so this is very dirty. As you see, this is our machine, and at this point take out these clips. At this point just make sure you open the power supply connection. From this point here you have to open the power supply connection. I took out the power supply. As you see, I put it on the side. Now at this point I am going to pull this lid and it will come out. It should come out straight. Okay. There we go. So this is our lid. This is the washing machine and we're gonna fix this switch now. This is our lid switch. I received this package from Amazon. I ordered that switch. So this is the switch I ordered. This is not the OEM switch, but this is a good one made by a third-party company. And this is the switch with the full assembly. So exactly this is the model number 3355458 and so let's go. We will try it now. We will fit it now. This is our switch and this is our lid. Now we're gonna fix this switch in our lid. So this switch, as you see, this is the old switch, and this cable, this is a OEM switch, so this cable came back from here, but now this switch doesn't have that cable set up like that, so we need to cut this tape. This there is a point here. This cable will come out first and then this switch, then this plug will go in. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Now this cable will go inside this clip. There is a clip here. Cable just will go inside this clip. As you see, this portion is done. Okay, first of all, now I need these two screws and this screwdriver. These two screws are called a switch mounting screw. So you see, this switch has 2 points and this is the switch. See, it's working properly. One screw, this is the second screw. Okay, so our switch is fixed. See, when the lid pushes, when the lid comes in, the switch is automatically working. See, and this is the negative connection. This will go here. Okay, so finally three things. This is number 1, number 2 and number 3. These 3 connections. So far we are done. Now we will go for fixing. All right, now we are going to put this thing back. So guys, as you see, my washing machine is working properly and you can hear the sound. See, I opened the lid and it stopped working, and now I'm closing the lid and it start working. See, it started working. So it means the switch over here is working properly. So as you see, the washing machine is working properly. At this point, I just want to say that fixing this washing machine needs a little bit of knowledge, but I'm not a tech person. If I can do it, you also can do it. The switch you need, it's available in Amazon. You can order it and get it from there, but still, if you need any other information, any kind of help, you can always write in the comment below. I can provide you any information if it is required. So far everything is working well. So many thanks to you guys for watching this video from beginning till the end. I hope this video will help you out. So far everything is okay. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a good time and have fun. Bye bye.